Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.